on a new adventure.
Well, honey, it is September 21st. And what have you been up to?
Working on tires. Just trying to get the bead on this one to set.
Oh, jeez.
That's what happens when we set.
I've been shot. You took off all the old tires, and 2 of them you've taken in to have them balanced.
Yes.
Which the one that was really bad, tell me about that.
That one.
Wow. That's pretty bad.
It is pretty bad.
And why was it like that? It probably never been
Never been balanced, and the bearings weren't set properly.
So in addition to the tires?
And the tires, so over here, I'm putting new races, new bearings into the brake drums because they're all electric brakes, and then some of the wiring for the electric brakes were cut, so I'm redoing those too. So right here I'm getting new races put in there. I've got new sets of bearings, and then the cap seals for that, have to grease those, put those in, and then do the other side.
So tell me about the tires that you had balanced, because you had 2 of them balanced.
I had 2 of them balanced. I don't know what you're asking.
The one that was really bad. All of the weights that are on it.
Oh, so the one that's really bad is over on this side.
Let's
so
go take a look.
Let's go take a look.
And you can't see the inside of it, but there's even more weights on the inside of it.
So weights here, and they're massive. This one over here, and then there's one on the inside. There's 2 of them, maybe not quite this big on the other side to balance, but this was the tire that was all eat up. And I was thinking, okay, well maybe the axle's bent, maybe something's going on with that. So it looks like it was mainly just a very lopsided hub.
And it should do a lot better now. I think it was smart for us to get them balanced. It's safer.
So. Normally they charge like $15, and they'll usually take the tire off or take the whole wheel off and do the balance and put it back on. They didn't have to mount or anything, but they still charged me $15
for each
balance
tire
anyway.
Well, maybe you should have taken these others in without the tires.
Drive the whole trailer in, say, here you go.
Fix it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And that's what he's been working on for a couple of days now. And then I was working on the mural here at the back of the camper that's going to have my fake trees. And I've tried to stay out of the camper so that it doesn't fall down on Cory.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
I've got it shored up pretty good.
I know you do, but it doesn't help to have somebody bouncing around.
Bouncing around, and it's not a good idea.
And I saw my M fell off.
It did.
I calm.
Calm.
And one of the bolts fell off too. That double-sided tape is not holding up well.
I've got some clear roofing adhesive that we can use. That will work a lot better.
Okay, cool. Because I calm, but
Yeah, doesn't quite.
I need an M. Not an N, M.
Here.
Cool. Always an adventure.
On a new adventure.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.